Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Stijn coming at you from my home inside Amsterdam. Welcome to a brand new series where we break down the ins and outs of starting your own web hosting company. In this first episode, we're diving into the basics. What the heck is web hosting? So grab a coffee, chill, and let's get into it. So, web hosting. It's basically renting space on the internet. Just like you need a home to live in, your website needs a home too. That's where web hosting comes in. It's like leasing a spot in the digital world where your website lives. The web host stores all your website's files and needs and makes sure people can access it whenever they want.
FBI, open up!
Think of it like this. Your website's like your online crib. When people visit, they want it to be chill and welcoming, right? A good web host makes sure your crib is always open for guests, no matter the time or place. Now, let's break down the different types of web hosting, because not all cribs are the same. First up, we've got shared hosting. It's like living in a big apartment building. You're sharing your space with a bunch of other websites. It's cheap, but if your neighbors are noisy and having a lot of people come over, it can slow you down. Then there is VPS hosting. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It's the upgrade. It's like moving into your own condo. You still share the building, but you've got your own space and resources. More privacy, more control. Perfect for when your website's growing and needs more room. In this series, we're going to focus on the VPS hosting since it's cheap and really easy scalable. So low cost in the beginning, which makes it perfect for us. Then we also have dedicated hosting, but to keep things simple, we're not diving into that one right now. Dedicated hosting means managing everything on your own, and honestly, that's just a headache if you're starting out. So let's just skip that for now. So, having all this knowledge, why does it matter? To kickstart our journey into the hosting business, we're diving into using a VPS. And the VPS is perfect for us because it gives us more control and resources than shared hosting without the hefty price tag of more complex setups. We're sticking to the essentials for now, and VPS is definitely the sweet spot between ease of use and functionality. So, what are we gonna do on that VPS? A simple WordPress setup just isn't gonna cut it if we're serious about setting up a web hosting company. We want everything to be automated, so you can focus on the important stuff, like getting new clients and, well, enjoying your free time. And just like having 3 girls is better than 1 girl, we're gonna use 3 different systems to make this whole operation smooth and efficient. As you guys can see on the screen, here's the whole shebang. First up, we have WHM, which stands for Web Host Manager. Think of WHM as your control center. It's the backstage pass for every website you're gonna host. Here you manage server settings and just keep everything running smoothly. Next, we have the cPanel. Each website you host will have its own control panel, and that's where cPanel comes in. It's super user-friendly, making it easy for your clients to manage their own websites. They can set up emails, manage files, install apps, and even more, all with a few clicks. It's like giving them the keys to their own digital kingdom. But how do you handle billing and support and actually setting up these cPanels for new clients and automating the whole thing? That's actually where WHMCS comes in. WHMCS stands for Web Host Manager Complete Solution. It's an all-in-one tool for automating billing, managing customers, setting up these panels, and even handling domain registrations, like you can see here. WHMCS integrates seamlessly with WHM and cPanel, making it super easy to manage your hosting business all in one place. So, to sum it up, WHM is your control center, cPanel is where your clients handle their sites, and WHMCS takes care of all the business stuff like billing and support. Together they make your hosting business run like a well-oiled machine. Next up, in the next video, we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your first hosting plan and getting your business online. This is where things get practical, so you don't want to miss it. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you got any questions or if there's something specific you want to learn about. And we also have a Discord, so you're welcome to join there. And we can get personal there, and I can help you as well. Catch you guys in the next one, and see you. Ciao.